This is Cyndy G, and in this video we are assembling the graduation girl and boy slice card. So I have all of the pieces here lined up and ready to go. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to glue this green piece onto the white. Now I did mine in white so that I can write on the back of it. And when you glue this together, you want to make sure that you've got your slits lined up so that you don't have trouble putting the card together. Okay. Might be helpful to have a fine tip bottle when you do this one. And I am going to start at the bottom here. There is just a slight border around it, okay? So that will help you line it up. There we go. This is the back for both of them, the girl and the boy. And then we have these pieces here that make up the front. I think I really needed to change my blade this time, and I didn't realize it wasn't cutting very nicely. So I have done these in the colors of my children's high school, which is the blue and red. You might want to use tweezers for your letters. All of my nails have broken. Usually I use those, but you can see that my A center did not pull out. There we go. So this is pretty quick. I love these slice cards. You can use up a lot of scraps with them. I haven't designed a new one in a while. I'm gonna have to get out my I'll use my big stick. Okay. Now let's work on the girl. So we have the robes, and then there's cords. There's enough cords. There's 2 cords, and then the robe for these. So you can customize it for whatever level the student is at that you're making it for. You'll want to put the red behind the mouth. The little red oval is for behind the mouth. And then put the black behind for the eyes. Okay. So on your flesh toned piece, you want to put the gown on first. And then the sash. You want to put the head on last after you get the pieces onto the sash. Move this out of the way. And I'm just lining these up to the top of the shoulder. And this is another piece where it would be beneficial to have a fine tipped glue bottle. And actually, I don't need to put the boy together because right here at this point, when you put the head on, with the exception of the mouth being different on the boy, this would be the boy and you would glue it on to the backing for him. But this one is the girl, so I'm gonna put her hair on. And what I'm going to do is put the hair on the backing piece first. So again, if you're making the boy, you do not have this extra piece, obviously, since this is the hair. And then I'm just going to put some glue here on this. Glue it behind. And now you're just going to line up the hands here to get this in the right place. Okay. Then you take these 3 base pieces and then we slide this one in place. So this card is an A2 size. And then we put sometimes it can get a little tricky. I'm just trying to get these fit in, but they go, I assure you. They're tight so that they don't fall out. And there is the grad girl or boy. And then you just push it to the side, it lays flat, and that is your A2 card. Thank you for joining me.